This is kind of like part 2, part 1.5, I guess you can say, because I'm trying to upload the video to Facebook, and for the 21 to 22 minutes that it is, it won't let me do it. And I have to go live, which I really don't want to do, but that's how they do it. They force you into doing things and then tell you, we got no control over that. Stupid. Anyways, and I don't know. Maybe I might go to TikTok, try to delete all my videos and or whatnot. See if I can get all them back before they try to take my identity, which I believe that's what they're planning on and what they want to do, because why not? Right? It looks good on paper. So, and, well, alright guys, show you the lost world of Jurassic Park here in the upstate of New York region, not the city. For those that are not familiar with New York, this is, look, yeah, without buildings. Wow, right? No angry taxi cab drivers saying, hey, honking their horns and, hey, I'm walking here. Oh, yeah, bike rider. What's going on? You know? Where it leads. Alright, well, here we go. This is it. This is what we call upstate. I'm going up. Got some people over there. I don't want to get them on camera because you never know who might sue you. Whoa. I don't want them thinking I'm a weirdo. Kind of a little too late for that, but yeah, this is it. Hopefully I could post this, the 2 minutes that they'll probably allow me. If not, might have to go live, guys. I don't like doing it, but gotta overcome it, right? Tell Zuckerberg to kick rocks and stop being such a douchebag with his platform. Alright, well. Bridge. I hear some bullfrogs. Alright, well, get by the water.